Get drifting just like a rag doll. You'll find that it becomes easier as you concentrate on my voice helps you go deeper and deeper and deeper into each and every easy breath. 4. Remaining in your seat. 5. 4. If you need to lean back just a little bit, that's fine. 5. 4. 3. We're going down now. 2. All the way down. Staying in that chair. 5. 4. 3. Way down. Deeper and farther. Way down. 5. I gotcha. 4. 3. Here we go. Way down. 2. And 1,000 times deeper, deeper, and way on down. Just like a rag doll, if I touch you just falling comfortably into total, complete relaxation. You're concentrating perfectly, floating, drifting just like a rag doll, floating. 5, 4, I got you, deeper and farther. 3, deeper and farther, I got you. 5, 4, sleep and relax. Letting go of tension now, you're concentrating perfectly. Each and every easy breath you take takes you deeper and deeper. In just a moment, I'll give you your very first suggestion. In just a moment, I'm going to snap my fingers. When I snap my fingers, I want each of you to push one arm straight up over your head. You will not let this arm fall because this is your chance to escape any remaining tension as that arm will soon become stuck up over your head. And the harder you try to bend that arm, the stiffer it will be. The harder you try to bend that arm, the straighter it will become. On the count of 3, pushing one arm high in the air. 1, 2, 3. One arm straight up over your head. Everybody straighter, straighter, higher, higher into the air. That arm getting stiffer, straighter, higher into the air. And as you push that arm straight up in the air, imagine that arm getting stiffer and stiffer and stiffer. Imagine that arm getting stiff like a bar of steel. On the count of 3, you'll try to bend it. You can't. The harder you try, the stiffer it gets. The harder you try, the straighter it becomes. 1, that arm becoming cold, rigid, rock solid like a bar of steel. 2, so the harder you try to bend it, the stiffer it gets. And 3, try to bend it, you can't. Give it some effort. That arm is stuck. The more you try to bend it, the more it just shakes and sways. Will not bend until I snap my fingers. When I snap my fingers, that arm falls. You go 1,000 times deeper to sleep. 1, 2, 3, sleep. And relax. When you calm down, you're concentrated perfectly. And complete relaxation all the way down. And the sound, the applause around you helps you go even deeper. Let's give these guys a great big hand as they go deeper.